A lot of my customers ask me the difference between paint protection film and ceramic coatings. So paint protection film is actually a layer of plastic that goes on top of the paint. It's 8 mils thick and is impact resistant and self-healing. So it's going to protect against small rock chips, and also if it is scratched, it can be heat cycled out. So with paint protection film, if it is scratched, a lot of times you could just take, either park it in the sun or have a heat gun and just heat the film up, and it's going to make all the scratches disappear. So a lot of people also wonder why they need a ceramic coating if they in fact have paint protection film or getting paint protection film. It is a different protection for the car. So whereas you've got your impact resistance with paint protection film, the ceramic coating is going to provide a UV barrier. It's going to be water shedding, dirt shedding, easier to clean, and gives you that wonderful hydrophobic surface for years to come.